Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a 3D text box in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Then go to a blank page. Now we want to make a 3D text box. Firstly, insert a text box. Go to the tool section and select the frame text tool. Then draw a text box to this page. Then you can write anything to this text box. Now I write some text or paste some text. Then select the move tool. You can change the fill color or the outline color. Select the text frame option and add the fill color. Then close the window. Now we want to make this text box 3D. Select the text box layer and select the layer effect option and select 3D option and check mark on this 3D. Then increase the radius or increase the soften, etc. Then close the window. Now we can see we make a text box 3D very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.